Hi, my name is Vicky O'Malley. I'm a marine and environmental biology and policy major here at Monmouth University. I got involved with this research project because I approached Dr. Sterrett with interest in his work as a herpetologist, and the second he said drones and diamondback terrapins, I was hooked. The main point of this project was to capture photos from the drone so that we could look at the pictures on the computer and measure the individual body size of the diamondback terrapins. And then with that, it would help us learn about the population overall. During this project, Dr. Sterrett and I got to work very closely together, and to me that's so important because I got to learn from his expertise. So I was learning and I was watching a master at work, and if anything went wrong or if I didn't feel confident about something, he was right there with me to walk me through it, and we would just learn together. The most fun part of this project was absolutely using drones. Using a drone to get a bird's eye view of a population of a breeding aggregation is super special because we're learning about them without having to come into contact with them. And you're getting to use it to give a voice and learn about things that can't protect themselves from human impact. Here at Monmouth, our classes put us in the field and got us doing hands-on work immediately, and that was super helpful to give me experience that I wouldn't have otherwise had. The ability to be hands-on and do everything ourselves from the jump just is allowing me to develop skills that are beyond just a bachelor's degree.